Hello mga boss, for today's video, mag-update tayo ng kitaan dito sa SealM on Cross. So paano natin gagawin yan? So first, let's check what item we must hunt guys. Okay, let's go on marketplace and let's go on material and all. So ang dapat nating i-hunt dito is this essence. Okay, so guys, kikita tayo dito via RMT or trading this ruby guys to earn here. So ang pinakamababa ngayon is 35,000 ruby per essence of Hanel. So paano ba natin siya makukuha? Okay, so how to get those Hanel? So dito sa Rift Dungeon, so meron kayong dalawang chance dito na makukuha ng mga box na yon mga boss, na merong laman of essence of Hanel. So from level 60, Fragment of Chaos and Hall of Blood. Ayan, so meron kayong dalawang chance dyan. Ito, pang 8 PM and then this one is for the 10 PM boss mga boss. Okay? So once you finish those rift guys, so may makita kayong mail na kagaya nito. Ang importanteng makuha nyo is the guild rewards guys. So Galadriel High Contribution Guild Reward. No? So kagaya nito guys. Ayan. Pero itong yung kay Galadriel is wala tong blood mga boss. So ang kay Hanel or dito sa rift na to, ito yung kailangan nyong makuha mga boss. Okay? So back tayo and then check nyo dito sa ating inventory. So meron ako nyang 5 pieces. Okay? So para lang makita nyo, Hanel Guild Reward. Ayan. So Hanel's Armor Fragment and Hanel's Blood Drop. So yan yung dapat natin makuha mga boss. Okay, so let's get all the mail muna. So dismantle muna natin to lahat. Okay, so let's dismantle this one and let's get all the email para lang ma-compare natin. So let's compare guys. So let's get all the email guys. Ayan. So nakuha na natin siya. So receive pa natin. So wala na. Back and let's go on the inventory again. So hanapin natin yung dalawang box. So yan guys, meron tayong 5 pieces nung isa and then meron din tayong 5 pieces nung Rift level 6. So yan guys, makita nyo yung pagkakaiba ng kay Hanel, okay? And then yung kay Galadriel. Ayan guys, so Boss Subjugation Guild Reward. So wala tong blood drop. So ito yung dapat guys. So let's open up this one muna para lang makita nyo guys. Ayan, so ito yung mga nakuha natin. So meron tayong Costume Stage Protection, Fracture of the Reef, Equipment Stage Protection, Crystal, Dark Crimson, and Magic Fabric. And then this one guys, ang kailangan natin makita again is the Hanel's Blood Drop. So let's use one Pet Summon Ticket. So we have 4 left. Summon Ticket again guys. And let's try another one. So Fracture of the Reef ulit. And let's use again. So Hanel's Armor Fragment. So sayang guys no. So kala ko blood na yung nakuha natin. And let's try another one. Ayun, so Costume Summon Ticket. So may price din naman yun, yung armor na yun, pero hindi ganun kalaki kagaya ng sa blood guys. Okay? So yun yung kitaan update natin guys. So everyday meron tayong 1 box na bubuksan kagaya nun guys. And then let's check muna kung how much is that armor, no? So ito siya guys, and check the marketplace kung magkano. So 1 piece niyan is 200 ruby. So hindi na masama, no? Kung makakuha tayo niyan, so nakapag-earn tayo doon ng 200 ruby guys. So yun yung update ko sa inyo everyday dito sa account na to. And pagdating naman sa shields guys, goods pa naman ngayon kasi wala pa yung Nexus event. So kapag wala yung Nexus event, nakakahabol yung mga free-to-play player once na active talaga pagdating sa field boss, no? From 11 AM to 11 PM guys. So right now, I'm on 450 shields crystal naman, even though I don't have those premium guys. So yun yung update ko sa inyo everyday guys. So subaybayan nyo, subscribe kayo sa ating channel para makita nyo kung suswertein nga ba tayo makakuha ng Hanel's Blood. So again, this is Gotski. This is Potski mga boss. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.